Welcome to Harnessing Real-Time Electronic Health Records for Predictive Surveillance and Trend Spotting. Real-time safety data analysis uses dynamic data sources, particularly electronic health records, to detect and predict adverse drug reactions, medication errors, and other safety issues. By integrating live data feeds, healthcare systems can proactively identify safety signals to improve patient outcomes and to prevent large-scale public health crises. Some core components of real-time safety data analysis. Data sources. Real-time safety analysis depends on various dynamic data sources, including electronic health records, a real-time analysis of EHRs flagged rising kidney injuries linked to an anti-diabetic drug, pharmacy systems, monitoring dispensing patterns to detect overdoses. Example, sharp increases in opioid prescriptions in specific regions identify overdose hubs. Wearables and LOT devices. Collecting real-time biomarkers such as heart rate or glucose levels. Example, detection of arrhythmia using smartwatches data prompted drug interaction studies. Predictive surveillance tools. Predictive surveillance uses big data analytics to identify subtle patterns that may indicate safety concerns before they become apparent. Machine learning models. Algorithms recognize adverse drug reaction patterns in real-time datasets. Example, predictive models identified gastrointestinal bleeding risks among elderly patients using NSAIDs or non-steroidal drugs. Risk minimization dashboards aggregate live safety data for regulatory monitoring. Some key metrics for predictive surveillance include the TTO, which is the time to onset. It tracks intervals between drug exposure and adverse drug reactions. Proportional reporting ratios, PRRs, detects signals by assessing disproportionate adverse drug reaction reporting. Signal detection and trend spotting. EHR facilitated signal detection. The EHR systems allow continuous adverse drug reaction monitoring at individual and population levels. An example of EHR insight includes a spike in EHRs reporting acute liver failure led to investigations of a hepatitis C medication. Examples of trend spotting, regional analysis, identifying clusters of adverse drug reactions geographically. Example, increased anaphylaxis cases in specific clinics traced back to contaminated vaccine storage. Temporal trends, tracking adverse drug reaction spikes over time. Example, seasonal variance in asthma exacerbations due to prescription handling during pollen peaks. The regulatory use of real-time data. Real-time analysis significantly enhances regulatory pharmacovigilance and decision-making. Key regulatory applications involve the implementation of risk evaluation and mitigation strategies, or REMS. The REMS programs informed by real-time opioid prescription trends targeted at high-abuse clinics. Black box warnings. Example, 50,000 EHRs flagged heart failure risks with pioglitazone, leading to enhanced warning labels. Market withdrawals. Market withdrawal of a tablet formation due to choking reports confirmed by EHR reviews. Some advanced techniques for data analysis. Data mining methods. Extracting key adverse drug reaction patterns from extensive datasets. An example, analyzing large hospital EHR records uncovered rare neurological events linked to immune-modifying drugs. The NLP, or the natural language processing, analyzes adverse drug reaction notations in unstructured clinician notes. Example, in NLP detect frequent references to sudden infant death syndrome, or SIDS, in vaccine safety reports. Continuous post-marketing surveillance. A real-time pharmacovigilance creates a feedback loop for safer prescribing. Some challenges and mitigation strategies. Data fragmentation. Interoperable systems integrate EHRs, pharmacy, and wearable data. Underreporting bias. An automated adverse drug reaction triggers align clinical workflows with pharmacovigilance needs.